The investment committee is answering your questions. The first one is for Jim. Jamie in Pennsylvania writes, Farmer Jim, you've been a longtime fan of Northrop Grumman, but nothing will make it move. Are you still holding? Jim, what do you say?
Yes, Jamie, you're right. I am embarrassed to say this thing's been a dog since I've owned it. The reason for that is the presumption, probably correct, that defense spending is going to get cut. But where it's not going to get cut is in the aerospace sector, not in terms of drones, satellites, missiles. That's what Northrop Grumman produces. It's also producing the B-21 new bomber. Frankly, I think that it is overdone on the downside. I'm not only holding, I've been adding to it recently. You look at the chart, the last couple of months, it shows a clear sign of regaining an upward trend. I think right now is the time to own Northrop Grumman. All
right, the next one is for Josh. It's a would you rather, if you will. Patsy tweets, Salesforce or Oracle? TRB, what do you say?
Just purely on technicals, Oracle looks outstanding and Salesforce looks extremely sloppy. I like both companies, but like from these levels in the near term, Oracle looks like it's going to make another new high and head toward 100. And I can't really give you a concise explainer. I would recommend the Barron's cover story on Oracle from 3 weeks ago, where they explain why this could be the next big SaaS/cloud play as they transform the company from within. So it's not expensive, and technically it looks great. ORCL would be my pick.
All right. Pete, this one's for you. Jody Dunlop tweets, are you on halftime today? U.S. Steel is breaking out. It's very observant, Jody. Yes, you are on halftime today, Pete. So what do you say about U.S. Steel?
Yes. So I am here. I have a lot of exposure in a lot of the industrial metals, Mel, from Tech Resources to BHP, which I already talked about, as well as U.S. Steel. I love what we're seeing. It's definitely breaking out to the upside. We've had a lot of unusual option activity, including this morning here. So I continue to like this name, and I'm going to ride it out for a little while longer. But it's made a great move over the last couple weeks to the upside. It's really, really sharp. Be disciplined if it starts to turn.
All right. Lastly, for Jenny, Pete in Florida writes, Jenny, a while back you recommended Targa Resources. I'm up 38%. Do you still like it?
So nothing makes me happier in the whole world than knowing that someone A, actually listened to me, and B, made money. So this is the best. But unfortunately, I am selling it. It's a source of cash. So I think it's probably maxed out. It's not cheap anymore. The dividend's not rich anymore. I think the upside is really limited, and you can probably repurpose those funds, reinvest in something else, and make more money going forward somewhere else.
All right.
So I'm selling.